So there's a lot of scenes of Inception yang Paprika buat dulu. So Paprika came out in 2006.
So Paprika follow ke?
Tak, it's the other way around. Inception yang ambil konsep daripada Paprika.
Factually atau
Factually, just check it yourself. Not just that.
Nolan copyright.
Black.
So untuk
bukan plagiarism, bukan copy. Aku akan cakap inspired.
Inspired. So Nolan sebenarnya movie Inception Nolan tu
ada inspiration from
anime.
Paprika ni movie.
Movie. It's a anime movie. And kalau Black Swan, korang boleh tengok Perfect Blue. So Perfect Blue dia explore macam duality of orang macam individu biasa dengan idol atau actress. Dia ada conflict of public image, personal image dengan dia punya struggle and challenges with a stalker lah. Macam ada stalker. Plot dia gempak gila. Dude, that anime came out in 1999.
Oh my god.
I watched it like 3-4 years ago and it's better than 80% of anime I've watched. Like,
so aku boleh concludekan kau punya statement ni adalah most movie yang agak power macam Inception, Black Swan kan, dia ambil inspiration daripada anime.
I would say there's certain scenes. I think not general storyline, not general direction. I think the most blatant or obvious is Lion King towards Kimba the White Lion lah. Tapi they finally acknowledge that, if I'm not mistaken. Kalau diorang tak acknowledge lagi, then they're just jerks.
Okay.
Because it was obvious. Tapi in terms of Inception, Paprika and Black Swan dengan Perfect Blue, it's more to the scenes. There are certain scenes that side by side memang it's exactly what Paprika did. And for a good reason as well, because to directors atau to people that are into the creativity art scene, that scene is kira deep. Macam just whatever meaning that entails in that picture, right?
So normies akan cakap apa ni Inception is the best movie. Have you ever watched Paprika yet?
Aku tak pernah tengok.
Tapi to be honest, I don't think it caters to general population. Like kalau kosong, aku rasa macam what is going on here, macam tapi Perfect Blue aku rasa semua orang boleh tengok.
Okay, Perfect Blue.
Yeah, Perfect Blue I think it's like one of underrated.
Aku tak tahu kenapa, aku tak tahulah kan, certain mungkin semua anime atau certain anime je. Somehow animation lately ni dengan yang lama, yang dulu jauh lebih cantik in term of drawing dia.
Betul.
Kenapa
Drawing contemporary sekarang ke?
Dulu lah.
Dulu lagi lawa for you, is it?
Ha.
That's very interesting. I think a lot of people would say otherwise.
Animation ke maksud kau?
Animation. Aku tak tahu lah. Mungkin related dengan studio. Contoh Dragon Ball lah. Aku tengok ni macam debate on Dragon Ball. Dia bandingkan Dragon Ball Z yang lama punya studio kan, yang lama punya 90-an punya, dengan Dragon Ball Super.
Interesting.
So dia side by side, dia nampak macam yang dulu punya kemas, dia punya
lukisan lah maksudnya, bukan animation.
Animation lah.
Animation sekali, animation movement.
Animation kira anime Dragon Ball lah.
And movement dia.
Dia punya drawing dia.
Itulah kata dia ada dua. Lukisan ialah art.
Ya betul.
Macam dia tak bergerak. Kalau animation pergerakan dia
pergerakan dia tak ada masalah. Cuma dia punya drawing tu nampak macam yang dulu lebih detail.
That's an interesting perspective. Sebab kalau kita sembang pasal Dragon Ball, Toriyama, Dragon Ball Z, Dragon Ball GT, Dragon Ball Z Kai, lepas tu Dragon Ball Super, and then Dragon Ball Heroes.
Yep.
Kau tengok dah boleh dah boleh listkan Dragon Ball.
So Dragon Ball GT pun ada sekali, but the important one. So Dragon Ball Z dengan Dragon Ball Z Kai dengan Dragon Ball Super. So aku rasa in terms of animation, Dragon Ball Z, the first one I think was really meh. It's normal for standard. Tapi mungkin yang dia tunjuk is Dragon Ball Z Kai, because Dragon Ball Z Kai is the remake of Dragon Ball Z with better animation dengan the cut. So I think like mungkin dia tunjuk Dragon Ball Z Kai punya animation in contrast to Dragon Ball Super. Sebab if that mungkin make sense, sebab Dragon Ball Z Kai dengan Dragon Ball Z Super punya time frame not that far off. Compare dengan Dragon Ball C dengan Dragon Ball Super.
Tapi aku rasa aku quite sure dia
Dragon Ball Z or OG lah. Kalau tak, then it becomes a matter of personal preference lah.
It's your opinion.
Macam because like I genuinely think the aspect ratio of dulu dengan animation dulu there are hints yang macam orang suka vintage punya style. Contohnya macam Hunter. Orang suka Hunter punya animation lama compare to the remake. Kan selama tunjuk lagi ganas. Tapi ada juga yang kata, tapi the remake lagi lawa in terms of fluidity, dengan lagi cerah. So it becomes different juga.